Hey guys, Coach Tim here. Today I want to be able to walk you guys through a nice little 3-on-0 segment that's going to allow all three guys to be effective, working on ball screens, snap-ups, and passing, trying to get a little bit of everything into one little drill. It's great for cardio, for conditioning, for all your players. So for you coaches out there, hopefully this will be beneficial to you guys in practice. I used to do it for the team warm-ups prior to the games as well. So what we'll go ahead and do, we'll have a nice little baseline. We'll have 3 lines on a baseline, similar to like a 3-man weave. We'll have a guy right here, get another guy in the middle, all right? And then we'll go ahead and we'll have a guy to the opposite corner. Okay, so this is a great 3-on-0 situation to where we're focusing on hitting the snap up and going right into a post-entry feed. So you're working on different aspects of passing, ball screens, attacking closeouts. So there's a lot of different elements in this drill that I love to do with my players that's incorporating 3 guys, 4 guys, however you want to dissect it. You could also include defense. It's just a good way for guys to get a better feel and understanding of your concepts within your offense and so forth. So we'll go ahead and check it out right now. So we have the ball starting. He'll pass to the middle. He'll X out to the slot. Okay, we got the middle man. He's touching the elbow. He dives right into the ball screen. He comes off. Big man will dive in, post up. We'll hit the snap up guy. We'll go post entry feed. After the big man hits the layup, he's gonna pass out and it's a hard closeout and it's just a simple read. So let's back up just for a second. Hit him again. Okay, the simple read for the off man shooter, okay? If he decides to attack middle towards this nail, towards the free throw line, we just work on a quick pitch. So if he attacks the closeout, we'll have this guy lift up just for a nice little penetrate kick. It'll be a shot. If he decides to attack baseline, okay, it's just a nice little hammer action to where he's diving to the deep corner. Nice little hard pass, okay? That'll be a shot, and then our last third shot will be the passer spaces out, and you'll have a coach pass it to him, and you'll hit the shot. So for me, I like to always do something maybe 10 makes all together, 15 makes all together, so we can move on to the next segment. So let's check it out, see how it looks in a live setting. Ready? You got it? Make sure y'all talk on the passes too. Go. Good, quick ball screen, good. Hit the snap up, there you go. Good, layup, outlet, right here. Good, hard closeout, tap. Good, good kick, right here. Good, quick shot, great job, great job. For you trainers or you coaches, these are some great things that you guys could implement into your workouts or your practices. This is something that I like to do personally at the end of my workouts, except I'll have 3 defenders as well. So everything we've been working out throughout the duration of a workout, we'll add some defense in there just to make sure guys are making the right reads and getting the full understanding and techniques down with bodies in front of them.